Mariana riburi hamwe Mariana riburi hamwe husband snatcher Maria Maria arinda rebe norira Oria Mariana tarinda rebe no sheka Maria Maria Oria Mariamu
teka yidechit ina kanta kashemeza rona
niko jana game za rona sometimes
abo kujana abwenchi washemererwa kubaga bakagamba
weza there is a way nko sounding personal like it was straight from the heart
snatcher emphasis
you know
Maria was too much
eji wiki nosha Kigezi industry niyo birisazere mu kujidominating aha as we speak right now outwina tokagamba music ya Kigezi otini zinariye ne bamweta shine omuchigani ncheragita wakanyonyozi
nyonyozi neganje negyawe nayo neganje endora yinyete
nyoni nchera kukagitaho twakwachira ori Twinukye Xtra genita West and of course the fantastic font watulia Monday Friday benga wenezi didn't want to kora ankore na Kigezi music strictly and as we speak right now orinito bana Rona Tash Bezini na Phantom DJ
na shine yana na tugitu ati shine bazora mutse y'abantu abatayari
abareba barunja abatayari West mukurike idi mukurike no hirina no mwaka byona byone bibireho from the other time abazire mukurike beba bashwirwe naho nimwe thank you so much for loving us mwe bari kutukunda no kutuhagira mwe bari kunkoro wakabi
nawo nibo
turabakunda mnonga
acheche shongoro kitwata nacho netsi arimo akagambo ka husband snatcher kiriye cyarwabona naco kikacirime ibintu nkebyo tugere ngo hino wakwenzero umutima bibiro
ncagwine manyora hendo go urahendo umutima uguriho nyo gwanje tawe gucarebyo kwendo umutima those are very small problems small problems I am too experienced to be broken, to be heartbroken. Kuna yakozere rwabona na ana abashija baharahara munonga abitu abakaza bumuraguma tugira ngo turatwara gangu watu ati iboti bashobyaga so ndi gukora Mariana nkaba ndenda kwereka barwabona that we know that even as women we have bad manners. I didn't want to follow one side so then I did Mariana. Surprisingly echichesho ngono kachandika like 4 years ago. Echecha Mariana kebe na rwabona
like seriously
4 yes these are songs I wrote when I was pregnant in Omuri from the career na mbaga ndio mukambo I don't have what to do and I'm like how do I spend time we get a studio, he comes home and we do music ebyashongere binja minyize ni shohozo go mwaka actually kwihaye yiwerava ever since I came from my maternity leave the only song I wrote in studio was Ndunjira ekito abanza kureba na Joseph hamwe na Mr DJ na nenche bebe but rabona yeyiwerava uwabandi ba people chonecha before lockdown
okay
then cheche cha Mariana nebyakare byo na just no maturaza
ebyo byeshongoro byo na wabereza attention tashe cyeneza kwetegereza wawure cheshongoro nkeche cha Mariana okahura rwabona nebyeshongoro byine deep message na direct sezeri machuwa mnongo ekwereka music enungi ne yuwahereza time
exactly nchana indagambira ashine kujangu buri project yo ni muntu arikwereza ubwiro w'engineer gayeyo eri unique like a project sezindi
of course with time arashanga buri mwaka arashuba buri kizemo gira arashuba buri kizemo gira ko ahindura ho shuba buri kizemo konka nabwe ibyo biramanywa abantu baceti buryo umwe ngo aramanya good music yajihurira mwe bari kujimanya
konga na n'ikindi iyo bari kwatira bishi ba Kigezi
bari kwatirira ihanga
what do you mean by kwatirira
like okay ndubasa kubantu kora music yo rurimi rwitu to representing abantu abo tukurugamo kubona so Kigezi gitekizire kureta abacara
abacara bita binji we have very many female artists as matanga Kigezi no kugira ngo utimura kimanya konka na Simba Jike no mweshongozi wa Kigezi because I have her as a registered artist there then we have Jackie Kazire Then there is me, there is Ashama music. But most of us are in gospel music. Most
Gospel
of the
music.
female artists there because it's easier to penetrate that way.
and n'ikindi ko barigire bayishongora kandi urunyankuri urwa
yego ba identity yabura nico rareba nyowenke yetera shayino mukiga kwenda ngo ndamwashanganye pakire ndi kukonkoza urujungu ogumorishwa ho narugiro manyangweje kunyo mu base kabare direct
na no kwaterera no kugira ngo you have been persistent in the industry omuntu awuturire kuruga kare paka na hato ciruho to kurugaho
I'm like a cockroach
ubundi wagera ngo karenje mukanga mukuru gutandika
nabasa kujya
As tomorrow is my birthday mugambe mbora ha bintu bya once upon a time
gutandika maze mugereze ukozire ku making sure ngo or persistent kandi
really
nitukuri.
Have I been persistent though? I took a 3-year break.
Yes, whether you're releasing music or not.
Noreba abachara binja bari mu industry kwa kwika umuriyejo time yo kugira ngo yaza concentratinga being a mother abura chimwe.
And now that's laziness. It's laziness.
Anyways noshanga ngo shine natambura konka abandi bakwaju nje tukurebera jiwe ngwa
No, and also then harimo bwoba ushanga mweshongozi yija.
Yeah, for real.
Ushanga mweshongozi yija yakora yo kashoka yanga kukwata yo byamutama yabire. So there is a lot of endurance and persistence and patience and hard working.
True.
Wow. Aya shine mukiganisho muri kabare nanda kujigarura yo kwerinjera nozaba nohereza abagizi bawe no
there has been an argument shine karengize myaka ikumara kweshongora habwe nchatakoze show akagira ngo ni 10 years of cause naise myaka 12 mugakine nango abantu bamanye ni omwaka gwo kubanza ndi kutandika kweshongora my first song Keitesi nyonka ndi kweshongorera abo witu ngo babaga bina mabaga batatere byeshongoro bya Ruganda kusha Judith babirya niwe yabirari hebirebyo kuna yeshongwire Keitesi cyakwatayo ndi shine natekaho imwe na omukundwa natekaho it's been a long time magnet ndi shine ana yangira taza manya wakwasire because that bakabashashuraga za mitwara ashatu abiri wena nge wakabi ndeshongo mu mabaga agaba cigamo stili atatora ibigeshongo byawe nebyembaga cyakire na hato bongeremo ebine vibe niho nabire ndakorera. Many people ask themselves what me doing. Kwato mugongo byanshobera. You will notice that chorus had shine on muchiga. Yeah. I kept saying shine on muchiga because Anna kanjira ngo yeah to muchiga ko ryo munyacharo. Obuko nyowe very roko very. Don't let my English fool you. I am a very local human being.
Oyo munyacharo
enje story on flowing no short inspiration empango owabe na pushinga mnonga was unlike the journey began with pushing a lot
because she was there first. She was in the industry first. Akario comedy yes but and then aramanya
yakozere nizi
aramanya rangira to niwe mpora za kubabasa ba Grace na chimera bahabona obukondo bubaraja nyobukondo bukandema ye tari bude ine sinsi ino chango ine kari kati nabwenda za kuhenda njijurire shana nantarenda kubeshongoreraje ndahendera njijurire
inkureba stage ubwira ubwinje nozi juro utagura
and honestly it is not a thing imbu it is cool. I do it. I want people to know me like that. They make me so uncomfortable. I don't like them. So Ann told me shine mwana wa mawe ni orajabirira ni orakunda Rolex ni orakunda chikomando ni uri muri hamwe wahurira waza kweyeta za shine kandi ninga princess shine niro arebe byo rakora tarashonaki na princess ati nyo hari nyewe nandagira ngo ndi shine mukiga kwenda ngo hagire ki wakora kirashwaza nabajengu konka mnikwe babaga bache I know. So that's how I've survived. I don't know why we were talking about that.
Okay. Being a sister to Annie kandi hate already no kitugambira akakugambira tukore tamasamoya umuntu nasa kuja ati shine akabira ari hari konka abwa brand ya Annie kujango kuba kuri abajangu sister wa Annie instead of saying shine omukiga tina ichirimite
Can I tell you the truth?
Yes.
I don't think I am identified as Ann's sister because I don't know how many times someone has called to give me a gig and they've addressed me as Ann's sister. What do you understand what I'm saying? Oranyeta aranyetero wabandi tarachikunde because the sister wa kansi mena waza TikTok okarebo video bunda kora. I never get comments like ngeno sister kansi magwara shesia never. I have worked Beazin. I have worked so hard for my name and instead had I decided to ride on the fact that I'm Anna's sister, maybe I would be far. has it crossed your mind kuri nayenzire kugira ngo uburyo umwe amanye kuri sister wa kansime ngufune zo connections zeye kuri ndi hari kuri ntari mu office z'abantu ndi kubeshengereza ana ngo bagure table zanje ana ratere simage minister hanuko ruguru kuri yo shango yagwa musho yanje atakigenderira you understand what I'm saying? But I have tried to stand independently and make sure that my hard work identifies me. So today if by any chance you've seen me stand on a stage Jotan Subira, like one you don't expect me to be standing on, it's not because Anne made a call. It's because I have worked so hard.
True.
Okay. Because kangambire manya nabwe orabasa kuboyine nka brother wawe aramanya kweshongora konka hina hotarabasa kumuhisa. Obodi kucenga cy'igambira. Ushange ngo wa mutwara yo yatabonire na wabo yine connections zirenga nakibara kugira ngo ekiti kirabasika. Hati nko unza yuke tukeshongora na Yvonne chaka. It was because Anne's manager Johnson, owe birebyo Johnson no akanunga kararuga kanuko karatura UK and he was a fan. He used to follow my music.
Yes.
Or else nkandaza kutembe nyonyishe endecheza ana mpika yaza stage akora comedy ngaruka. Why did they get to go on that stage and perform?
Because
yeah, for real.
It's not like she's backing me up when I'm in studio. Kandi chindo ejimyaka yone yitwa amara habwenchi rwabona ariyo kora be yitubandize kushohoza now tukapushinga.
So ukana ochire unchibasa kwija like ukachehara mnoga kugira ngo
maybe banzo. I did not want to be I don't up to today I don't like being addressed as Kansime's sister when I'm talking about my career because I've done enough to be Shine Omuchiga.
Okay. Besides being your sister eka tugaruka artist ani ni artist mutayi wawe mukakora hamwe collabo nkakureba uri kudipushinga on your socials
so much.
We didn't see you anywhere in the show okudiperforminga ni nyijuke nyuma ho before the show nkani ngamba oni otinyenda kuza press conference nkani ndi press conference na kanuramisha I didn't see Shine Omuchiga akaba hoki.
You see these things nikoko muntu yokwimuka ati that show was for Talent Africa and not Ankansime. Do you understand? It's just like how you're on this screen, but this TV station is not yours.
Yeah.
So you don't do what you want. You do what your manager is telling you to do. So they had a specific target audience. They had a specific target audience. And I want to assume that's the right reason, really. Do you think she refused to call me on stage intentionally? No, you don't. It's because it was not her show. Yeah. Because she's had shows before where I have been on her stage.
And nawari show ya Ankansimu kuyabireri ikiri kind of different.
Yes.
One was
what was I supposed to do there?
Or maybe he didn't want to roast the people
that
were around.
Fabiola omisho gaba matembe tandike kweshongere nche bebezi marira machana ngo batera machupa
kandi bari baratera gawa ni okano za kufuna yo wa roasting
now Shine Omuchiga no Shine Omuchiga wunkumanya according to me akana fitting omusho yejo Shine Omuchiga wunkumanya living singing aside kuza kweshongore nche akuba tukarebayo na naba bitutatwire nturebo mu comedy but Shine Omuchiga wunkumanya. Akana ba qualifying kuzo musho.
Let me tell you another thing you people need to understand. If I had a show today and I was on stage, I would get my most trusted person to sit in the audience and not blink so they can tell me everything that is happening. You understand? I was seated on the front table. Family table. Ntarabasa kwezunguza because I'm the only person that is going to give my sister a very perfect review. Etari muku wana
observing everything.
Mujirete chitete ingaha. Konkori yotashobora kumukozesa. Honestly, I now hear you. I've not had that complaint before though. Konkan bahuriri. Na bahurira and now I'm also asking myself but come to think of it inkamantara zakuza ho ezanke shongora ko abandi karugaho ninga bakanshita misari hante barojwa sky nkatandika kujumana. Now that you're saying it, I'm thinking about it, but it was not that. That's another way of looking at it.
I know. Ashine izoberi yakari yahamire mwendijo.
I was there as a sister.
It's
moral support.
Yeah, for real.
Which is what I would have done better than just being on stage and singing a song or something.
Okay, ekazo gamba show ya Shine like Erio celebratinga emyaka 10 tubitwine a fact izobiri nyuma abazyo ariko gamba ho yabaine idea anyways konka yawija aho naho kandi wachitayo.
No, he had the idea and it was even out there on ground but I didn't know about it.
Yeah.
andagira wakakoze sa tactic ndijo yo kugira ngo abanza kiteke mu bantu
kunkanye
we nayenda ku surprising abantu
yes
and up to today I don't think I deserved his kindness. I don't think, because if we went to court akabaraza kunsinga akwa niwe yabandize kugira ki niko kuno kureba njyo mushija akakureba akakukunda akahunama for a long time turaganda kureba ku kampunami ogwa kijogo kubanza akakureba akakukunda akakugambira tarakutasa exactly so aransingo mushango, but I am forever grateful to him really.
I want to know how were emotions zawe ukwohereze kureba nanka flyer fact zamani ni wotire yawe okateka teka cheze dachika kwa
you have no idea ebintu by'abantu bankozire muri ye industry. That's what I was telling you people, that you can't break my heart.
Yes.
I have seen things, I have heard things about myself. Abantu bangambire ebintu bankore ebintu mwe numbire choma
waguma
mbire choma tora basa kunzunguza nata mashanyarazi gagenda ndagenda shemerirwe
nohoriye nyuma ya show ya 10 years
Omukiga music I am nze mama nze tata nze mwana
ntigaruke meche buza.
Yes, please do.
Noho ori enyuma ya 10 years of Shine Omukiga.
Shine Omukiga.
Okay.
I don't have an event promoter. I don't even know if I have sponsors yet. It is me. But Kabare has received it with so much love. Oh my God, the things we are going to do on 30th August.
So already expectation is positive.
Yes, it's just that in Tandichire Kareho as a Kabare
neyo kubara
yes
mpora ejo kubaza chabyona emeza yakakade Omukigara kureba arabata kuchenjire meza yakakade arakubuza renda gukora yo cyeto cyo nena ngushasho yakakade
yo kind of fact yesterday na jangu like Kabare kane singa.
Yes, the industry is still
ekani singa like niyo abene supporting amnonga ebintu ebyo Kabare
obani lockdown
enyuma
obani
buri muntu unabe mbuga na kare mubuze nshonga ya research zibecu konka nyomwe abazo mfirinjera iki fact zamani ya mpereza reason hikiri abo kukinga kwa boda na
lockdown bikatomerana then kubikatomerana era barazetachi ngenu regime zahinduka harugamo ba producer butabitora ba promoter ba DJ hati hijamwe abandi kubija bashanga industry efire so pesi yabo yabeji hariyo abana basya azambwe no for them they are used to this space, you understand? So but we're going to shake it up a bit. The border now open, are we in lockdown still? No. That's why I said I am the sacrificial lamb. No, this is the second one. So the 10 years that I'm celebrating, these are 10 years of the brand Shine Omukiga. Because I started out as Shine and I was doing music casually, and because I love singing, then I professionalized my career. So these are 10 years of the brand Shine Omukiga, not 10 years of my singing. I've been singing for 12 years. Actually, my first song was in Senior 4 vacation. Ooh. With a girl who is in City Rock. I cannot go there. So I had a show there in 2016. I think Obulimi concert. Kakoro Obulimi concert in 2016. It was such a success. Zikaikasha hemwe munani wanje antera njangu nabwara bya Shine Ojomuroji. Emotoka ziri kwika kuri ya akabari secondary izindi ziri kutora Ojomuroji rabi bakija bankunda, and I'm so grateful for that.
Obulimi no shoka kora nambara.
Nkakora Keitesi album.
Okay, yeah.
At Little Reese, that was 2015. I'm so grateful for it, and I know for sure that they're going to come and show me even more love, because na nyankuzire ndebire so nyine binje binyagire turi hari university in matura tino rupapura na pen mutareba baragira ngo yajire skate chika minyo ndanyine binde byantuire yo just kweshongora nandi kwagira brad kana nyine pen no rupapura ndikandika so nena ngubije, and I showed them what I've learned.
Want to gamba Shine Omukiga, want to gamba a good performer, stage. I
have a live band, I have a culture troupe, I have contemporary dancers. I'm going to have a drama setup on stage. It will not just be lights passing through. It is. Why do you want me to say these things? Now someone else is going to do them, and they'll say by copy to them. Kumbe mkijanu ya nabyasha makona na bimara.
Jirangu mwe mwije murete mutakarebaga.
ye mwije mwerebere uraba atasimire aije muhereze balance.
So Shine nenda kuma enkwatagana yawe na n'abacara abandi aba mu industry most especially abakunu Erieta.
Waruga kureba Mariana erimo Airema erimo Masika Mami erimo Simba Jike, what do you want me to do?
Kandi simple question, abacara bari Seramani minji turebere Pretty Imaki ya hanginga show in the same month as you. Think kumanya no sakubanza yo supportinga kugira ngo na waisha supporting
even if she doesn't call me.
Was that surprising?
What do you call me? Even if she doesn't call me, I don't have a problem with. Currently, I don't have a problem with any artist in Western Uganda. Naba Kampala abunyine nabo buzibu mbwine nyenka bote barachimanya barantama just. Yes, ovungeno tihi no muntu ryo kwengu nyona Shine titurareba na if you're doing it, it's in your dreams. Okay. Even male artists, by the way, I don't mind them. It's too much energy. I don't have that energy. Namani means thinking I have a child to raise. I can't be hating on people.
Chetegereze chintecho Shine eche chibuzo ne surprise question tichire na script on sasire produce. Are you among the people who are on the project you consider harmony aine or instrumental?
I was actually I was among the intro, the first people bajire ku voicing. The problem is when they were going to shoot the video, I wasn't available and I couldn't make it. Ngeno amankumuntu kukuterera wabo obwiro babene bakushootinga kandi ora nabeshongozi binji yo wenye kati nkagira tindi horgo kubanza rero bagire so because Shine is not around, let's no. So he called me and I told him I cannot be there for the video shoot, and the video shoot happened. So I don't know if on my part kandi question ngakora si nyine ona kavaso kwe tena my part yanje bati Xtra ni chanje ninga bajikwire mu bakata hundi ijo muntu.
So ati as it stands to kumanya
I shana werenda ngumbi henda basa kubi I can lie for you, what do you want to do?
No nyona kubuza kumpereza amazima
mbuze chindi kirakanga wawankanga kanjire ndasa kubuza kibuzo oyiruka kanga beazina idea. You may have told you my heart.
You want me to ask you about
yangambira kubuza kibuzo Shine just
yanje ati ndasa kubuza kibuzo arabwaza
kubuza ati abari Shine ati kubuza ari cyenye musical person
iwe chebuzeho jo Shine nichiha nakutereza na chance kubuza katerebuka whether it is musical or personal, bring it on. I dare.
Show yawe Tarika dirye nyuma.
Tariq is a team member, just like Papa is a team member, just like Mark T is a team member. You know,
because Tariq reka kumvitira mu ba Mark T.
I'm answering your question unless you have the answer.
No, you answer me whether he is there or not.
He is on my team. Tikugira ngo agitiremo muko natiremo zinga yakugambira zinga. Wait, it is a show. I cannot be running around for my wardrobe, organizing which band is going to perform, looking for which dancers I will work with, looking for, oh my God, how big will the stage? I can't do all that. So what we did is sit down and say, who is good at production? Oh, Talik can do that. Okay, Talik, you're going to handle production. And who do you think is going to handle stage management? Oh, Coco is a friend of mine in Kampala. Coco, you'll do that. Then who is going? So you know Talik because maybe he's your friend, you talk to him, that's why you've mentioned him, but there is so much happening.
Is not my friend, I do research.
Your research this time yabirehenga mitwas like this. So your research is lame like this. Because when you set a link behind it,
ryari nyuma mukamutachi kwatagana
nyowe no
iwe na Tariq
munonga hasho ya Reiji ya Ajipu.
Yes.
Omegari harugire mu Shab Empire.
Yes.
Nkaza stage bampire byeshongoro bishatu nkaba nahika honti abangatandika no mudarasini gwasije garanga kantakekere nakorasi nareba nkaharubaje nari Tariq ariko ngira time ngana akatandika kuyimba because akabage hatimu ya Omega nachega konka nkamara nabatereza bo.
By the way, wagamba kintu cha cyokereza ubwire ya stage Shine umuchiga stage manager kuja tunakwereza ibishongoro bishatu no kuja tunakwereza dakika 10 kora mu byokwenda ibishongoro gutera mu mukaga.
When you spend a lot of time on stage, it does not matter what kind of artist you are, abantu barakuruha. So it's always better you spend such a little time on stage. If you're observant, nangia stage ndeshongora half a song.
Konko mutu yakweri ibishongoro bibiri
na wampa bibiri ndeshongora half.
Okay.
So akacheka nuze not so much.
Okay. Konkara abantu abakwenda kugira ngo umuhereze dacikisha ayishongora ibishongoro 10.
It's okay.
Shine ubwire bwatwara nitwendo yanjura abantu eceshongoro cyawe cha Mariana otwete twije tukushajike kure
Mariana kahandika keshongoro ka Mariana. Once upon a time, the first producer was Yo Cookie. The last producer Ogochikwa Siremu is JK's. Okozire video ni Titus harimu bamaka badi bahabona bambe na keshongoro karungi mukakunde mugume muri akashaba manya mwashabe byeshongoro abantu barabireba bamanye banyijuke rero bije hasho yanje nyowe ko barayange kwisha abakigamwe nabagyoke turaza kushwara hamwe all of us tinenda kushwara nyenka. So please push my music guys, please. Nimwe manyandagambira abasaba higuru bahuriye
more especially fandom DJ wayatere bibiyo
ninga kubarabure ni uburi
nganyowera I am my number one fan nyowe ndazayo nchitere mwebare mnonga. Thank you so much Tayari West, thank you so much for justifying the word West in your name. Thank you for supporting and loving us. Nitwe turabakunda mnonga. Keep it up batabahabisa. Keep it up. Kandi abareba bita barungi mwebare mnonga mwebare kunkoro wakabi obwe nanye ndisere. Thank you.